Okay, YouTube, this is your boy Mark Flu Exclusive Views, coming back with another video. Today I'm doing a review of an air purifier. But you know how we do. Before we get started, let's get all that business and politics out of the way. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, notification bell, so you be notified new videos. Tell a friend. Stay tuned to the end of the video, give you some updates on the channel. Alright? Now we got all the business and politics out of the way, let's get to the video. Alright, today I got a not Bluetooth, boy, you know what I'm talking about. I got an air purifier from a company called PARTU. This is the PARTU air purifier, model number BS-08-08. Alright, I've been checking these out for a while. I already bought the PARTU BS-10. I'll be having a video on that soon. But like this one is the BS-08. It has like nightlight feature, low night settings, and 3-gear wind speed, and covers a area of 12 meters. Alright, but here's the box. I'm gonna go get. Let's see. I got it off Amazon. Let me see how much it was at Amazon. It's like it was like $69. So I'm gonna leave a link down in the description box below so you can go check it out for yourself. Let's see here. Here's the box. Get you a close up. You can pause that, read it for yourself. Bring it back out. See what it says on the box. These some of the specs. 3-speed adjustment. The 3 wind speed can be adjusted according to different usage environments. We could choose different wind speeds. Okay, we could choose. It's got low, like for children's room, mid-range for meeting room, upscale for office room. So, and also, this is made from the parent company, Aki. So, Aki, you know, they make all kind of battery chargers and all that good stuff. They also have own this company, I'm guessing, called PARTU. All right. So, you know, Aki has some amazing products. I use a lot of their products. So, if this is as good as their regular products, I know it's gonna be awesome. So, let's check it out. Take it out of the box. See what all we get. You get your instructions. Packed with a little foam in here. Toss that to the side. Let's see. We got the purifier itself. We're gonna put the purifier to the side. And I'm gonna close this box up and push this box back to the side. As you see, it's wrapped in plastic for shipping. Take it out of the plastic. So they've got it tied up. Hope everyone had a really blessed day. Let's see here. Tear off film. I'm not gonna worry about the film right now. I'm just gonna take it out to see what's in here. This is where your filter would be. Take it out. Here's your filter. The filter was located in the bottom. So we'll put that to the side like that. Make sure the filter hasn't been opened. Good deal. It has the true HEPA filter. Alright. So that's pretty much all that comes with it. Go ahead and put it in. Wait a minute. Make sure I got it in here the right way. Because it's the right way. Easy, simple. Bam, now it's closed. As you can see here, it's got venting all the way around the bottom. So make sure it traps the odors. See the little PARTU branding on here. Fresh air, you have your power button, light button, and ion button, and air filter button. We'll go over that stuff a little bit later. Wait a minute, I guess I didn't lock it in good. Make sure you lock it in. Alright, it's locked in now. Alright, I'm gonna pause the video for a minute so I can go ahead and plug it up and show you how it works. Hold tight. Alright, now we got it all plugged up. And let me read off some of the what it says on the website about some of the features and everything. It's a PARTU air purifier for home. True HEPA filter. Let's see. Alleviates allergies, eliminates smoke, smog, dust, pollen, odors, germs, mold 100%. No ozone. 100% no ozone. Silent sleep mode. 7 different color features and light features. And let's see here. I'm gonna go ahead and find the square footage on this bad boy. This one should be 160 square foot room. So this one's good for 160 square foot room. All right, 160 square foot. We got the HEPA. We got a fine preliminary for the filter. It's got like 3 different layers. It's got the fine preliminary, and it's got the H1 HEPA, and then it got the activated carbon filter. All right, so all 3 of those is in that filter, like I showed you when I unboxed it. It's all in one. But like I said, if anything I forgot, I'm gonna leave a link down in the description box down below, so you can go ahead and go and check it out for yourself. Like I said, you can get it on Amazon for $69.99, and that's a decent price. Like I said, this is something. Since I bought the bigger model, the BS-10, I decided to get the BS-08 for the bedroom. Yeah, so I went on and decided to pick up this one. Because I like also I like some of the features on here. Let me bring it a little closer to you. Well, let me go ahead and turn it on. Here you see right here. It's right now it's on the lowest setting. Whisper quiet. You can't even hear it. You're starting to hear it a little bit now. And that's the highest setting. You can really hear it, but it's not that loud. It's like the other one. It's not as loud as the 10, but it's a little bit quieter than the 10. Let me get the decimal meter out and see if I can test the. Let's see how loud it gets. Put it on slow. Now, I might be picking up some of the sound from outside because there's a train going by. It's like every time I'm doing a video, a train want to come by. It's crazy. That's the lowest setting. Like I got a 38 right there. Medium. And high. So as you see, it's not that loud. It's like I said, a white noise machine. Like people that use white noise machines to sleep, you know, that's pretty much the equivalent of the sound. But bring it a little closer to you. As you can see inside here, let me turn my lights down in the studio so you can see the color lights. You see the color lights in here? Right now, when you first turn it on, it's going to cycle through all different colors. It's going to cycle through red, orange, blue, green, and if you want to lock it on one specific color, you just push the light button right here to lock it in, and then to turn it off, click it a third time and click it off. If you don't want to have that light going on in your bedroom while you sleep, you can cut the lights off and have no lights at all. But I like the light on, whatever, but I like it to cycle through all the covers. It looks kind of cool to me. And check out the front. Let me turn the lights back up on the studio. I'm trying to get that glare off. As you can see right here, stand it up for you. As you can see right here, here's your filter LED to let you know when it's time to change the filter. and it's the ion. It's right now. It's on ion. The ions go up in the air, and it's supposed to bond to whatever. You know, I ain't no scientist, so you have to look that up for yourself. And then the light button, power button to turn it off. Overall, I think it's pretty cool, and I could tell the difference. I left it in the bedroom, and I closed the door because I messed around. I cooked some. I think it was some chicken or fish or something like that. It was some. We was cooking one night, and I said, well, the rest of the house was smelling like when you can smell the food odor. I closed the door, put it in there. After a few hours, man, you could tell the difference. I mean, you still a tad bit, but you could tell. You know, you could tell this has been running. And right now, I've had this one for a few days. Overall, like I said, you know, a little brand new. Overall, I think the PARTU air purifier is pretty decent. Pretty decent, small little profile, not too big. About the height of a waste paper basket. You know, it seems like all of them about that same height, but it doesn't take up much room in the bedroom. You can sit it on your dresser or something like that, or you can set it on the floor. It's up to you where you want to set it. Like I said, the filters should last, like I said, between 4 to 6 months. But like I said, don't quote me on that. Like I said, I ain't no expert on all this stuff, but you could go ahead and you know, when you click on the link and check it out for yourself to get more information on it. And just wanted to bring it to you. Like I always say, I'm just a guy that loves tech. Ain't no expert, just loves tech, and I wanted to bring it to you so you guys can check it out and see how it works for me. But overall, I would say, like I said, I'm gonna have to keep using it for a little while longer, and I might come back and do an update because I ordered a different brand for a larger size room because I want to do a comparison of all the ones. So far this is 2, so I have a third one coming in. So I want to do a comparison of all 3, and I'm probably I'll make a video on that to show all 3 of them to see you know which one performs the best and what size room. So stay tuned for that. So you know, probably in a few weeks and everything, I'm gonna go ahead and do a video on that. But like I said, with the pollen season, with everything that's going on, you know, right now, you know, I have to be stuck in the house all the time. This will be a good investment. You know, you want health. You want to be healthy, have good air, you know, to breathe. This is a good investment. You know, who wouldn't want to invest in their health? You know what I'm saying? So this is a good investment, like, especially if you suffer from allergies like me, and that pollen is be kicking your butt in the springtime and the fall, man. And so you want to get a good night's sleep? Get you one of these right here. Get you one of these right here. All right. All right. And I appreciate you guys taking this. Is your boy Mark for Loose Screws Reviews, and I appreciate you guys checking out the video. And like I said earlier in the video, give you an update on the channel. Once we get to 2,000 subscriber mark, I'll be doing some giveaways on the products and review right here on the channel. Let me turn this light back up. Yeah, turn that light back up. I'm gonna do some. When we get to 2,000, we get 2,000 subscribers. I'm gonna do some giveaways, some of the products and review right here on the channel. All right. So if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that like, subscribe, notification bell so you're notified new videos. Tell a friend, tell a friend. You know, as soon as we get that 2,000 subscribers, as soon as we get to those giveaways, alright? Alright, I appreciate you guys taking that time to check out the video. Enough of me rambling and everything. Like I always say, treat people how you want to be treated. Treat people better than you want to be treated, alright? Like I say, if there's anything I left out, click on the link down below and you can find out more information from the website, alright? Alright. Let me see, what's the message for the day is? Oh, message for the day, especially with what's going on now. Pay attention and cherish and love your loved ones. You know what I'm saying? Don't take people for granted. And, you know, love the people in your life and appreciate them while they're here. You know what I'm saying? Especially with what's going on right now. So, you know, appreciate your family, appreciate your friends, appreciate the people around, your neighbors and all that good stuff. Appreciate the people while they're here. Don't wait till it's all over. Just appreciate them while they're here, alright? What that old saying, give the people flowers while they're here. Go ahead, appreciate people, you know, don't take people for granted. Don't take people for granted. That's the message for the day. Don't take people for granted. Alright? This has been your boy Mark for Loose Screws Reviews. Drop the mic. And I'm out. Peace.